got this 18650 Lazada charger. So without further ado, let's open this. So this is the plastic, and we're gonna be removing it to reveal the product that we've ordered earlier. So removing the plastic. Go. We open this for a while. This is the charger also for my calming wireless mic for my system. There we go. So I'll be removing the sealed package, and ta-da! Our XTAR VC4 is now on the house, and I'll be charging my batteries, my vape batteries, although I don't use vape. So as you can see, it's highly bubble wrap, and we're gonna be removing this plastic that is wrapped with the bubble wrap. Okay, so let's remove this. So as you can see, I'm now removing the plastic package. There we go. So let's remove it now. Very nice. This is the back charger. It cost me a lot. The charger, but you could also check the capacity. Good thing I've drained my battery. It smells good. So this is XTAR VC4. So this unboxing. So we're gonna be seeing this. It supports those kind of batteries. Without further ado, let's remove this tape. So I want to charge my batteries. We'll see how good this charger is. There we go. Very nice, tightly sealed. Thanks to Lazada for handing me this. I'm gonna be removing this. Okay. So now open the package. There we go. There's a nice XTAR bag from. Thank you XTAR for this VC4. Smells good. Smells good from the inside. Smells super new. Okay, let's remove this packaging. And when we open the bag, we could see the charger itself with these manuals. Very nice display. See that? At the back, it's just some good outputs. You can move that, but I'll choose to not. Okay, this XTAR. Thank you for choosing XTAR. So you can see that 10th anniversary. Wow, they're very. XTAR is China. See, anti-fake injury. So it should have a genuine. It should have a genuine sticker like this, which you can check in your website. You're not sure if it's original or not. See this, so we can check it. It's original or not. To check if it's authentic. So as you can see, this warranty card. Oh, that's very good. Then here we go. So we're gonna be trying to insert one of my batteries. Whoa, that's not in the. Okay, so it's here in the pack. I thought it's not with the package. Here's the cable. There we go. And we're gonna be used for my case. I use Lenovo adapter, which has a rating of. It's a highly rated battery. I mean battery adapter. It's rated at 5.2 volts 2 ampere, so it's enough to supply this XTAR VC4 battery charger. So I'll be getting my LG Choco so that I could tell you how good the battery charger is. So I'll be removing this, I'll be inserting it here, so I'll be inserting on the 5 ampere slot. I want slow charge. There we go. So you could not see anything. It's turned off. So let's remove. I could choose to remove it first, and I'll show you what it looks like when you power it on.